Hi guys, I'm Tom and this is Tom Tang's recipe. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a kimchi fried rice recipe. This recipe is flavorful, simple, and quick to make. It will be your new favorite. Let's get started. Let's start with preparing the chicken. Remove the fatty parts first, and then we're going to slice the chicken into thin pieces. And then we will need to marinate the chicken before cooking. Add 1 teaspoon of cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, half teaspoon of sesame oil, and mix well. We'll need to keep mixing until all the seasonings are absorbed by the chicken. Slice half onion, and cut some green onions. And then cut the kimchi into small pieces. Add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into a pan and turn the heat to medium. We add the chicken once oil is hot. Keep stir fry until the chicken is about 80% cooked, which is about like 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the cooked chicken and set aside. Keep adding about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, slice the onion and chopped kimchi to the pan. Stir fry about 1 to 2 minutes until the onions are translucent. And then we're going to add the steamed rice and mix well. Here I add about 2 tablespoons of hot pepper paste, but if you like spicy you can add more, if you don't like spicy you can add less. And then we're going to mix everything together for about another 2 minutes. Keep adding 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. in the chicken bag. After adding the chicken, we're going to stir fry for about 30 seconds more. Finally, we're going to sprinkle some chopped green onion. Last but not least, we're going to fry a couple of eggs. Next, we're going to place the fried eggs on top of the rice. Finally, we're going to add some roasted seaweed on top of the rice. If you don't like the ocean taste, you can skip this step. Alright guys, this is my version of the kimchi fried rice. Do me a favor, try this at home and leave me a comment, let me know how it goes. And also let me know what kind of recipe you want me to share in my next video. Hope to see you guys next week.